I'm going to repair this dog tie out, this leash. It's got brass ends on it. The rest of it's okay. There's nothing wrong with the rest of it. But over time, when they set out, they get sticky. And I just want one that I know is positive and that'll work without any effort, you know. And I can guarantee that it'll close. So you can use silicone sprays and different things. And I've done that in the past, but they'll still go back to getting tight. So here's what you need. I use stainless steel. I bought a new stainless steel clip from Menards for $5.99. Then at Home Depot, I bought these quick links, stainless steel, 3 of them for $3.77. That's a steal. Again, you want stainless. And these are called quick links. And this particular size that I'm going to use is 1/8 inch. Yours may vary. First thing we have to do is get rid of this end. Now there's several things you can do. You could use a hacksaw, bolt cutters, but I'm going to use an air-operated, a pneumatic cutoff wheel. That'll be the quickest and the easiest here. So when you do that, you just want to make sure that obviously you don't cut into the good part. Next, you're going to take that quick link, and it unscrews. It's got threads here and here, and back it off. You want to put it through your cable, and you want to take your clip, put it on, and then you basically just screw that back on. Now, what I'm going to do for a little leverage is use this 8-inch crescent wrench, and then I'm going to take my 4-inch crescent wrench, and I'm just going to, turn this or tighten this up. Just like that. Give it a nice good snug, and there's your end. There's your repair. That simple. All stainless. Works nice and smooth, and it should stay that way. Should never have a problem with this.